If you are constantly saving articles, YouTube videos, podcasts, and online content but struggle to organize and remember everything, Recall AI might be exactly what you need. In this Recall AI review, we will look at its key features, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it's worth using in 2026. What is Recall AI? Recall AI is an AI powered knowledge management tool designed to help you save, summarize, organize, and revisit information from across the web. Instead of manually taking notes, Recall automatically creates summaries and builds a personal knowledge base that becomes easier to search and connect over time. It's especially useful for students, researchers, content creators, and professionals who consume a lot of information daily. Key features: one of Recall's biggest strengths is AI powered content summarization. You can save articles, YouTube videos, PDFs, podcasts, and other online resources. And Recall generates concise summaries so you can quickly understand the main points. Another useful feature is the knowledge graph. Recall automatically links related topics and concepts, helping you discover connections between information you have previously saved. The platform also offers powerful search capabilities, allowing you to find information from your saved content in seconds. In addition, Recall supports browser extensions, making it easy to save content while browsing the web. AI powered learning enhancement. A standout feature in 2026 is Recall's ability to turn saved information into a structured learning system. Instead of simply storing notes, it helps users revisit important concepts, connect ideas, and build long term knowledge retention, making it particularly valuable for continuous learning and research heavy workflows. Pricing: Recall offers a free plan for users who want to test the platform. For advanced features, increased storage, and more powerful AI capabilities, paid plans are available. Pricing may vary over time, so it is best to check the official website for the latest details. Pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Excellent AI generated summaries, supports multiple content formats, powerful knowledge organization, easy to use browser extension, helpful knowledge graph for connecting ideas. Cons: advanced features require a paid plan, maybe more than casual users need. AI summaries can occasionally miss context. Final verdict: so is Recall AI the best AI knowledge management tool in 2026 for users who regularly consume online content and want a smarter way to organize, summarize, and retain information? Recall AI is one of the strongest options available today. Its AI summaries, knowledge graph, and content organization tools making it a valuable productivity tool for learning, research, and personal knowledge management. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other AI tool reviews. And goodbye.